Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa verde for chilaquiles. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of tomatillos, 2 jalapenos, 1 small white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. These foundational elements are key to achieving that authentic, vibrant flavor we all love in a great salsa verde. Selecting quality produce ensures the best possible taste. Next, we'll roast our vegetables to unlock their full flavor potential. Arrange the tomatillos, jalapenos, onion, and garlic on a baking sheet. Broil them for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are lightly charred and softened. This roasting process caramelizes the natural sugars, adding a wonderful depth and smokiness that elevates the salsa. It's a simple step that makes a huge difference in taste. Now it's time to blend everything into that beautiful salsa verde. Carefully transfer your roasted vegetables into a blender. Add a generous handful of fresh cilantro and about 1/2 cup of water or chicken broth to achieve your desired consistency. Blend until it's smooth, or leave it slightly chunky if you prefer. Finally, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For the final touch, pour your blended salsa into a saucepan and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. This simmering step allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully and slightly thickens the salsa. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Serve this warm, vibrant salsa over crispy tortilla chips for the most delicious chilaquiles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.